Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, Str8yaad TV. In the kitchen today, I have something special for you, all my viewers and my subscriber. I'm gonna do something off the hook, guys. I have some shrimp here, so I'm gonna make some Escovitch shrimp. That one is gonna be nice, guys, so you need to stay tuned and watch how I'm gonna prepare it, and I'm gonna teach you from start to finish. So just stay tuned, watch the video. This is what we're talking about when we're making pepper steak at its best. Look at it, guys. Chicken. Wow, this soup is so rich and nice, guys.
So we got fish, we got what? Chicken, and we got what? Corn. Oh, we done up.
All I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna get them clean, season, let them sit a little bit, and then we're gonna go into cooking. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean them up because I buy them with the head on. Nice big size them, so I buy them with the head on. I'm gonna go ahead, take the head off, take the veins out, strip him down, clean him up, and I'll get right back to you guys. But I think I'll show you how to clean this. Okay my people, check it out. See them nice and clean? That's what I just did. So right away, I'm going seasoning immediately my people. So I'm going with some garlic powder. Nice garlic powder on them. I mix it up anyway, so. Going with a little onion powder. Going with a little black pepper. This Escovitch shrimp, guys, is gonna be off the hook. I'm sure you never have it. Probably you never heard about it. This one is coming from out of Str8yaad camp. Little cayenne. Know how it go. And guys, I'm not gonna use a lot of seasoning with this one, okay? Just some slap your mama. Goes well with seafood. Also anything, you know, it's a good Cajun season. Right. And just a little bit of Miss Maggie. Okay? That is it, guys. No more seasoning. That's all the seasoning I'm putting on it. Okay? This is all the seasoning I'm using. Want to smell it? Alright. So I'm gonna do, add a little piece of my scotch. Yeah, give it that little kick. Okay guys, there, that is it. Nothing more going on that, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna sit it down a little bit, let it sit down and soak, and then we're gonna go right into cooking. So stay tuned. Str8yaad TV in the kitchen today, guys, cooking up a storm. One love to all my viewers and my subscribers. Always remember, don't forget, the 2nd of August, big backyard cookout / pool party right over there. You guys need to come and check it out. Taste the food, taste the culture, enjoy the atmosphere. Str8yaad TV. Okay guys, so these are the shrimp that I told you I have sitting down, soaking for how long? Yes, my people, we're going to do some Escovitch shrimp. So here how it going now. Have some breadcrumbs. See? Plain breadcrumbs, people. What I'm gonna do, I'll coat them with some breadcrumbs and I'm gonna fry them. Okay? That should be enough. Okay, my peeps. See there? Okay, let's get the pan together, get it hot. I'm gonna add some oil in the pan. And we're gonna go right ahead and frying. Okay, my peeps. And you know this is not gonna take long because shrimp don't take long to cook. It's like about 4 minutes time. We're done. And then we go to the Escovitch process. So let the pan get hot. In the meantime, I'm gonna coat it in my shrimp. Just like that, my people. See? Just like that. Just coat them in our breadcrumbs. Just like that. Okay? Put them one side. Get them ready, okay? That's what we're doing, getting them ready. Okay? So all I'm doing is coating them with the breadcrumbs. These are already seasoned, sitting down soaking for a long time, guys. So you know it go. I'm going nice. When we say nice, I mean nice. And guys, if you never see Escovitch shrimp, welcome to Str8yaad Kitchen. We do a lot of creative cooking. And we have a lot of ingredients ready to roll. So I already show you how to clean them. Take the veins out and everything. And leave that little piece of shell on the bottom here. Yeah. You know how it goes. All we are doing now is coating. And I'm ready to go. Okay? And I'm ready to go, my peeps. So alright, you know this one is gonna be off the chin. And you know you can try it at home. If you watch me, like I tell you, step by step, you will do it. It's not a if nor but nor maybe, you will do it. Trust me. So right now, let's check on my pan. Let's see if the oil is hot. Needs a little bit more hot. So let's get it there. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and do some more. Have them put down ready to go. And you know, shrimp don't take long to cook in my peeps. It's like about 2 minutes on each side, 3 minutes on each side, it's done. Don't take long to cook. Trust me on that. You know that. And if I don't believe, try it. Prove me. One Str8yaad TV, guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, remember this big bad Str8yaad backyard party that's coming up. You guys need to be a part of it. My viewers, my subscribers, my friends, my family. And all the real Str8yaad people who want to come and taste the cooking and the food, you're welcome. You will see the information right there on the screen, guys. You can come if you want, okay? And you're welcome. You're more than welcome. Trust me. And you will taste some real authentic food that day. Let's check it out. See? You're ready now. I'm ready. Ready. Mr. Ready, ready. Ready, my kids. And remember, I have my little splasher here. I'm gonna put them on because I don't want to dirty up the stove. So I'm gonna just keep putting some. And I'm gonna put in a cover. Okay? Can't stand this mess, guys. That's why I'm using my splasher. Keep the oil away from the stove. That should be good. Don't need to overcrowd the pot. Alright. You need to flip them, guys. I tell you, shoot don't take long to cook. Because this pan is already hot. Okay guys, see? Tell a shrimp don't take long to fry, okay? Or in general, don't take long to cook. Go ahead and add that thing more. Yeah, cover that up. Let it stay there. Don't want it to splash all over the stove. So I'm using my splasher. Keep the oil from splashing around, okay? You need to get one, guys, it's good. Frying chicken, you don't want to have mess. Get one of these. I put them over the frying pan, keeping the oil from splashing all over the place. Okay? So that's what we're doing right now. Frying them bad boys. And then I'm gonna go in the Escovitch style. Remember that, one Str8yaad TV. Get in there, my peeps. Get in there. Get in there. We getting there. We getting there. Soon finish, okay? We just have this little batch left to do. And then that's it. Okay? For the Escovitch, this is just the same thing like doing a fried fish with the Escovitch. A carrot, red peppers, green peppers, onion, some pimento. You know it already enough, guys. Yeah, stay tuned and so there's a scotch in there. Gonna see that one. That one is gonna be so nice, guys. Trust me. One is gonna be off the hook. So let's see what's going on with it. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. Yeah, this is exactly what we're talking about. Okay. Seems like it's gonna take some more, you know. As you go on, guys, they shrink. So you can add as you go on. You gotta know which one you're pulling, which one you're taking out. Okay? Okay, my beautiful people, this is what we're talking about. See? That's what we're talking about. You don't want them to dry out. You want them to have a little crunch and you want them to have juice. Okay? Perfect. Okay. What I'm gonna do, go ahead and put in some more. If I have a deep fryer, could have worked faster, guys. They're much faster. You don't have to turn them. Just throw them in, set them on for like 4 or 5 minutes time. Okay. Add some more in that corn over there. Okay. I'm going to use back that same oil to do what I'm doing. So what I wanted to do is just take out all the breadcrumbs that's in the oil and left over. But I'm going to use the same oil to blanch all of my Escovitch ingredients. Okay. Okay guys, keep on watch that one here. The one here Str8yaad, discover the one here. The one here comes straight out of Str8yaad camp, people. Never see this from a barn. Just come to my head to do it and I do it. Never heard about Escovitch shrimp. Just a mind say, yo, you're creative cooking, yeah, do. Do something special out of your head for the people. So I'm saying, okay, I'm gonna hit them with the Escovitch shrimp. Tell you guys I'm a creative cooker, you know. I don't watch recipes, I make recipes. Guys, I need you to try this one at home. This is something new created from Str8yaad. What I'm gonna do now, my people, I'm gonna take out all these breadcrumbs here that leaves that, because I'm gonna use back the same pan to make my Escovitch for the shrimp, guys. See? Take all of that out. All of that. Out. Out of the pan, okay? Out. Out. Okay. Out. Out. Okay. See? That's what I'm talking about. Okay. So right now, I'm gonna get my vinegar. I'm gonna crush these berries, these little pimento berry a little bit, just crush them to release the flavor in the oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the rest of the stuff I have to do, guys. Okay. So we'll take this up and finish with this. Put this one side, cool off a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff ready, guys. I just need something to crush it, like, you know. I'm not gonna crush it all the way. I just need to release the flavor out of them. Right? I'm gonna put in these pimento berries. Let them release some flavor in the oil. Okay. Yeah. Meanwhile, that is released in, guys. All those beautiful flavor from that pimento. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, you wanna smell this, guys. And I'm gonna put him back there. Pan is real hot. I don't want it to burn, so I'm gonna release some flavors slowly. Okay? So I'm gonna do, add in my carrots, add my onion, add the peppers, add everything, guys. Okay, that's the level of heat I need. Nothing to be burning, okay? Now I'm gonna put back the heat on. Keep it on medium low, okay? This is what we're talking about. We're making the Escovitch, guys. Escovitch. We're gonna add some vinegar, guys. Straight into the pan. Okay. Yeah. Just a little bit more. Yeah. Smell that already, guys? Wow. Flavors on top of flavor. That's how we do things around here. Just add some, just a little bit of salt to it. Just a little drop. Okay? Nothing else. Just a little drop. When I say a little drop, I mean a little pinch like that. Okay? If you want to see it, it's a little pinch. Just a little pinch more. Not a lot, guys. Not a lot. See? That's it. That's all we're doing right there. So, okay. Right now, we're gonna add just a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Right, just like that. Kick up the fire, guys. On high heat. I'm gonna release all this flavor now. Okay. Wow, guys, you wanna smell this? Wow. You wanted to smell this, guys. As soon as it boils up, I'm gonna take it off. I just need it to release all those flavors, all those beautiful flavors. So guys, I'm gonna cover him up. Let it steep just a little bit. Let those beautiful flavors release. Okay? And then I'm gonna add it to the shrimp, guys. And that's my Escovitch shrimp. You need crunch in it now. Wow, this flavor. Yo. That is what we're talking about. That is it. it there. This is what we're talking about. Peeps. Releasing all those beautiful flavors. You see the water change color? Yeah. This is what we're talking about, man. Just blanching them, guys. We're not cooking them out. As soon as these see them release already, see? Now we're done. So we are going to cover it up back. Turn off the fire. That is what we're doing right now, my peeps. And we're going to add it straight to the shrimp right now. Straight to the shrimp, okay? So, give it a little bit a second, cool down a little bit. I'm going to put it in a hot thing now, my people. That'll just turn off the fire, and you know the stove is still cooking right now. Because don't need it no more than that. No more. No more. Yo guys, if you put this on fried fish now, you don't want to stop eat it. So right away, we're going into our shrimp, guys. And the shrimp, guys. We're not going to use all this juice. Just a little bit. See? This is what we're talking about when we say we're making Escovitch shrimp. Okay? This is what we're talking about. Good? Good. Right, we're not gonna overpower it. And we're not gonna put no more. All we're gonna do is drop a little of the juice on it. Okay? That's all. That is it. Best Escovitch shrimp, guys, you ever had. That is it. Straight out of Str8yaad camp. This one is coming from the Str8yaad TV. It's the first you ever see something like this. You wanna taste it? Oh Lord. Oh. I'm only gonna taste 2 of them for you because I'm already full. I've been cooking all day. I do a lot of cooking today, guys, and I have come back and cook something for you guys. So guys, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, guys. Help the channel to grow. Get me to 1 million. Get me to 10,000. Get me to any amount of 1,000, guys. I'm right here waiting for you to release some cooking for you guys. Okay? So I'm gonna take out a little dish. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna have to eat 2 of them for you. I know everybody in the house want to eat it off. They already started trying it, guys. They love it. They want to finish it. So I'm gonna let them eat it because when I cook for them. I cook for me. I cook for the family, okay? And anybody comes around, can also get some. That's how I cook. I don't cook for myself alone. Alright. So let me dive in on that one, yeah, boy. At the first, when I come to my head, I'm gonna tell you, it is so good. Guys, love this one. Man! This flavor is banging, guys. Guys, if you try it, try it at home. Do it the same way I do it. Even without this, the Escovitch sauce, guys, it's crazy. The flavor is up. When I say up, I mean up. Nice and sweet, juicy. 1 Str8yaad TV. Guys, this Escovitch shrimp is something to talk about. It's something to taste, guys. Trust me. Really good. And this stuff here, guys. This can cook for if you have a big family watching movies, want some finger bites. Yes, guys, this is something for you. Try it. One Str8yaad TV. Like, share, and comment and subscribe. Tell a friend if you tell a friend. Str8yaad in the kitchen. Making up a storm every day, guys. One love. We out.